Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to start a new course called More on Python. Before that, we will be having a recap of the previous course, which is called Introduction to Python. So I request you to check it out before watching this video. Please watch this video till the end if you have watched the previous course, because it will be very helpful in learning about Python. And we will also be having a quiz on the previous course. So without any further delay, let's begin. Today's topic is opening script mode in Python. So first, we are going to revise what we learned in the previous course. Key points of the previous course were, or we learned that Python is a high level programming language. Python provides two modes, interactive mode and script mode, which we continued with the interactive mode. The print function is used to display the output on the screen. The input function is used to accept value from the user. The variables are the memory locations used to store values. Escape sequences add, add spaces or new lines between arguments. Arguments are the pieces of text in the apostrophes. Now for the quiz, I will be asking you 5 multiple choice questions. Please post your answer in the comment section below. The winner will be the one who answers all the 5 questions correctly. First question. Python is a platform dash language. A. Dependent. B. Independent. C. None of these. 2. The dash function is used to display a message on the screen. A. Print. B. Input. C. Display. The third question. Which data types represents real numbers with a decimal point? A. Integer. B. Float. C. String. 4. To give a tab space while printing the statement, we use A. Tab key. B. \T. C. \T. 5. The area that is used to type the code in Python is called A. Work area. B. Stage. C. Script area. Now, for today's topic, we have to learn how to open the script mode in Python. So let's begin on today's topic. So here is our window. We can see that there are a few options which we learned about in the previous videos in the previous course. So we have to use the file option for this, which means to open the script mode. So here I click on file and a new file. So when I click on new file, a new window opens. So this is our new file window. This is the script area that is much more wider. So now let's learn about a little about script mode and why we are using it in the first place. So an answer to the why would be because the interactive mode is not a very useful tool to write lengthy codes, and developer use very lengthy codes to write an application, and you all know that. So in such cases we use the script mode. You write your code in the script mode and then execute it to get the output. To assess the script mode, we have followed the instructions that we have to first open the ideally Python shell. We click on the file menu from the menu bar and we click on the new file option. And then the mode window opened. Now let's type some commands and try to run our project called a module. In today's video, we are going to try writing some commands to make a password generator, which will which we will complete in the next video. So be sure to watch the next video too. So first of all, we need variables. So we will need the name the first variable a, which is equal to input given by the user. Input is and this, and you see the purple color on the input. That means that it is a command. Write your name. We are also going to need a variable. We are going to need a lot of variables since it is going to be a big application. But of course, we can make it very simply. Let's name the new variable b. Again, to write it again, we will select the syntax and copy it and paste it. However, in this, we are not asking the person their name. We are asking the person write your or write any 4-digit number. And since we need the value in integers, we will write int over here, int, and then here, and then we will close the brackets. That's, that's making the input being accepted in integers. Now we will complete the new application in the next video. So we should be sure to watch that after this. Link in description. So friends, that is all for now. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. But before you go, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't be missing out on any of the latest videos. Bye bye.